Hello everyone and welcome to this video on Introduction to Design Patterns. I am Nikhil. I work as a software developer and have more than 8 years of experience in the industry. During this time, I've worked for many early age startups and also for big MNCs. So it has helped me gain a unique experience of working at a really fast pace on one hand and also creating scalable solutions for millions of users on the other. One very crucial thing in software development which does not get enough credit is using the design patterns. Or to be precise, using the design patterns correctly. It is definitely not mandatory to learn or use patterns. The thing is, you might manage to work as a programmer for many years without knowing about a single design pattern. Even in that case, there is a high chance that you might be using some design pattern without even realizing it. They are super useful, no matter what platform or language you use and develop for. So in this video series, we'll discuss everything about design patterns. In this video in particular, we'll first understand what is a design pattern, why you should spend time learning them, and what are the different types of design patterns. So let's start off by discussing what is a design pattern. You can define design patterns as typical solutions to common problems in object-oriented design. They are like pre-made templates or blueprints that you can customize to solve a recurring design problem in your code. So, customize is the keyword here. You can't just copy-paste a pattern in your code. It's a general concept which you need to adapt to your use case. Now, a design pattern is not the same as an algorithm. There's a difference between an algorithm and a design pattern. An algorithm is an unambiguous, finite set of instructions. It tells you step by step what needs to be done to solve a problem. Whereas a design pattern is the way of structuring and organizing your code with main emphasis on flexibility and maintainability. So you can say an algorithm tells you what to do, whereas a design pattern tells you how to do it. So why should you spend time learning design patterns? It is like a toolkit of tried and tested solutions to common problems in software design. They help organize the code in a much more flexible and scalable way, which is also easier to maintain. Apart from this, it also helps define a common language which you and your teammates can use to communicate more efficiently. You can just say, oh, just use a singleton for this, and everyone will understand the idea behind your suggestion. Even after having so many advantages, you should be careful about the unjustified use of patterns. If all you have is a hammer, everything looks like a nail. This is a common problem that haunts many novices. Having learned about patterns, they try to apply them everywhere, even in situations where simpler code would do just fine. So it becomes essential to know how, when, and where to apply them. So now that we have learned what is a design pattern and also established why learning them is worth your effort, let's quickly talk about different types of patterns. So based on their use case or the type of problem they solve, we can classify design patterns in three major categories. So first are the creational patterns. Different creational design patterns provide different object creation mechanisms. The second category is the structural patterns. These patterns explain how to assemble objects and classes into larger structures, while keeping these structures flexible and efficient. And lastly, we have the behavioral patterns. They help take care of effective communication between different objects and how to distribute responsibilities between them. Don't worry if these are not clear right now. We'll be discussing all the major design patterns in complete details in the next set of videos. So stay tuned and goodbye for now. Thanks for watching.